Ryan Thurian from Gig Harbor. We got a 2001 Dodge 2500. Oh, please be very, very careful. Do not run across the track here. We have equipment going back and forth, plus these trucks down at the end of the track.
When I hear him singing,
please do not run across the track. Big thanks goes out to Matt and his people at Les Schwab here for helping out and sponsoring the truck pull. So please stay off of those blocks and stay behind the blocks and be very aware of what's going on here, and please do not cross over that track. James had to pull against the reset sled there. Everybody will be pulling with the sled reset. The guy that got off first had to go 2 times there.
A burnt rib.
That is a stock sled that burned all up.
Really?
Yeah.
Now, dude, we gotta push it.